people don't even know if you want to LC1 letter, if I want to go to LC1 court. You get the point? Like we went to Otuke. This one come from Abim, I'm welcoming you. This one come to Abim, I'm welcome. That's why we have got scared to welcome people in Abim. We have got scared because tomorrow I never know where the machine will go. I wonder you will swallow the word. So I say, let me first keep my words and wait and respect the machine of government. You get the point? That's why we are very reserved. So let us only wait when the government has done their job, when everybody has agreed, then I begin welcoming people. I don't want, because that biases people. You bring confusion, you say, because I'm not a machine. So we say, Minister, let's get a peaceful way. We are sorry if they are not got there. Because the letter, that's why they came. Say, RDC, you're in charge. Because even me, I got on my pigeon all. The letter was my pigeon all. They are all there. Then in the caucus, I brought it in the caucus. The last caucus. That's what the minister was told. The president said now, go immediately. You get the point? It was discussed in the caucus on Friday in Entebbe. They say, save our people. Now, what? She was not there actually. Now we said, what we are after, first of all, is to, the minister does not distribute land. No, he doesn't distribute what? For him, will come and say, you, chairman, if elected, MP, for you stop here, that and begin from here. That's what they did in Otuke. They said, form a committee. He said, you leaders, your job is to see how to unite people and sort out their complaints. Help us, help me, and John form a committee in Otuke. Everything ended well. Then even form his committee for putting the boundary. Everything actually was peaceful. So there is no bad. I experienced it myself from there. That's why you see me, I'm very relaxed. I'm very easy here because there's no bias at all. But if you are not, so I want to beg that. It's okay. I want to beg that this one, please, is a very peaceful exercise. We shall always agree. You get the point? This is the good of our people. So that now it relieves us, the local people, with solving a smaller problem. We bring elders to help us solve if there is disagreement. Then we see and sit as a local team now. We have a joint team, we settle our problem. So we have not come to escalate confusion. My prayer is I've never stepped here myself. Because I was waiting for my colleague, I come with them. I like when I'm moving with the leaders. Because I don't move for any ill motive. You remember, I discussed with a long time. But they were busy. You lost somebody, you lost a person. Remember, when you agreed to come to Cameroon, you had issues. I said, I'll wait. I'll wait. That is a good spirit. You get the point? I don't want it to be a tool of political fighting. Let us not bring politics on this thing.
Dispute between Otuke and Abim, which now you have moved into, but this side, Agogo and Abim, if there has been any complaint, that is one-sided. The fact that is one-sided, it leaves us at a point where people can look at us as if we cannot sit down and talk. Some of this matter, if we were to sit, for example, maybe in your office, maybe with other local leaders, the district chairman, whatever, we said, there is this complaint coming, what do you have to go about it? Of course, we know to determine the border, it is not a one-spot thing. You have to move in a vast area. However, from the time we started, I heard from him when I called him that I hear there is this thing going on. I have not gotten any information. Then he told me, no, the minister is coming like today, something like 2 days ago. Then I said, I have not gotten any letter and any information. Now this matter went deep to the people. Everybody is now concerned, blaming leaders, including RDC. How can the people of Abim get organized at that level? And you are not organizing us. Because if
issues between
Otuke and Abim.
And I came with a team with a proper method of work. That the way they do it is to get people from either side, a team. For example, a team here, Agogo and Abim, a local representative team, which joins their own security technical team, joins the team from the ministry. They agree on the method of work, on a date that's agreed, and then they eventually carry out the work. Since I was in Abim and Toki, I was requested by Honorable Julius that Agogo is not far. I even asked him, how far will it take? Because I wanted to get back to Kampala quick. He said, it's not far, it's about 20 minutes. I said, in that case, since I have my team, and they are not going to begin immediately, they will have to sit with the people concerned and agree on the program. These are the technical people. So let me take the opportunity to come here because my program is very full. Even to remember, I had to cancel so many things.
Yeah, cancel very
I said, since I'm near here and it's going to take me 20 minutes, let me go. I thought that would help, and I didn't leave the technical team behind. But as the English said, if it is not broken, why mend it? If there is no issue, there is no problem. We shall give you your good time. When you are ready, you will come to us, and then we shall bring that in. We can handle the issues.
Very big issues. Let us
officially welcome you to Agogo County. I am very, very happy, but at the same time also not very happy. I will be able to tell you the reason why. But I want to officially welcome you to Agogo County, and I want to thank your colleagues, the Honorable Minister for Economic Monitoring in the Office of the President, to sacrifice our time also in this time of emergency to officially come and welcome you also to Agogo. I want to put this very closely to you that we have not received any official communication for your coming here. And it was very difficult for us to mobilize the team to come for this meeting. I got a phone call from the area members of Parliament of Otuke who gave me a call and said, are you aware the minister is coming to Otuke and he's also coming to Agogo? And I told him I am not aware. When I called the office of the RDC to confirm, and yesterday physically I went to the office to meet them and confirm whether they have received any official communication from the ministry, they told me they have never received any letter. And it was really difficult for us to come for this meeting. Now, because of the tradition that we have in Acholi, when you have, here was rumors. We didn't know, we are not aware completely of the meeting and what is going to happen here. We are agreeing about it. And so we wanted to officially welcome you to Agogo County, to Agogo District, and then perhaps we also tell you that maybe you organize another meeting sometime back. And then we can, come and officially share, because when you're telling us you're coming to know the boundary between Agogo and Abim, we have to go to prepare. This is a very big issue. Politically, and then government works with system, government works with leaders. And if you have got complaint, maybe from Abim, from my colleagues, the area members of Parliament, perhaps you would first call us as the leaders in your office. Say, no, I've got this part of the complaint. What are we supposed to do? What is going on? You also hear from them, you hear from us. We sit in a meeting, we schedule another day, we come back to the district, we have a meeting with district leadership, and then we schedule the day where we can come officially, and then we see how we can be able amicably to handle the issue, the boundary opening. Because the area member of Parliament told me from Otuke that, the team are coming for boundary opening. And it was a surprise, because we have not got official communication. And then this area also security-wise is not safe. If we are going to have a meeting now and then we go through all the detail of the issue, the information is going to be risky for the community here. And so that is a brief from me and my colleagues. Amos, perhaps if he has something also to supplement on that, because we have to be very open to you.
Minister, my colleague, I like you so much. We work together. We share a lot in common. And I'm so grateful that you're coming to Agogo. I got information first from the LC3 of Lerakato. When he called me, I said, I've not got any information. So since I've not got any information, I cannot take it serious. If a minister is coming, we sit together in cabinet. I believe if it is true, my colleague will inform me. So when I didn't get information, I took it easy that it was a lie. So today I'd scheduled to go to Entebbe landing site to monitor the fishery activities. But yesterday at night, the LC5 called me. Then the area councillor 5, Obadilang, Benachuma, called me. Then I said, I think it might be a real thing that the minister is coming. I tried to reach you on phone. I did not get you on phone to really confirm from you. But since I failed to confirm from you, In the morning, I called him. He didn't pick. I wanted to confirm whether it is true that the minister is coming. He did not take my call. Then I decided to drive and come. Because issues of boundary opening, it is political, it is very sensitive. I know you're coming with good motive. I know how you work. I know your method of work. You have a positive mindset of coming. But because you have not informed one side, we may think that you've been biased by the other side. So any decision that you'll take now, for us, we may not take it in a positive way. Because why is it that our side were not informed? When we talked of boundary opening between two districts, and only one side of the district one counterpart gets information, then the other counterpart doesn't get information. For us now, we have so many speculations. What is it going on? And we are at the period of politics, and many things will come out of this. So we are not against your coming, but politically we have been very stable. We've been voting. We've been voting without any confusion in this area, along these two borders, and we had not had any problem. We had problems some time back, but the problem were rectified some time back. So now, in case of any issues, we cannot reject, but we need to follow the right procedure. For us, what we need is following the right procedure, because even if it was me as the minister, if I come to you and you just come straight away without informing my colleagues of Abim and the leadership of Abim, they will also think of something else, that I have connived with you to do something to tarnish their political career, the other side. So this is the issue here. But otherwise, we have no problem with that.
There have been several complaints along this border, up to Otuke actually, up to Otuke. And we have chosen to get peaceful ways of solving them without hurting our people. It is not good to allow a problem to keep on persisting. Now, no wonder we have been raising a complaint. I've raised complaint to the minister. That's the truth. We are sorry, maybe. But also, I made a lot of attempts. Myself, I've never stepped here because I didn't want to come without my colleagues. You remember I called you, I met you how many times? I begged you, I said, let's go for a meeting. I want us to go together as MPs. I don't want to go alone. As if you get the point. I don't want to go behind the MP. That's why I've never stepped here. Because I've been trying to make appointments through the members of parliament so that we come together and we speak one language as MPs. Because for that, there's nothing we are covering. For us as MPs, we are not on anybody's side. If we want peace to be there, elected leaders should not be on people's side. We should be like judges. We should be judges of our people. If we are the ones that are going to be with these people will kill themselves. So I believe that you leave us to be aside as leaders. We be aside completely so that we help our people. I think that's one mission. Secondly, now, Minister, there are issues. We have problems.
I'm called by the name of Okuyungula Mohammed. You are welcome to our side. Thank you.
Their neighbors.
Sub-county.
The two 6-year patron and all the protocol observed. I am called Jokai, the 6-year patron 3 of Lweyongedde sub-county near Raia. Thank you so much for coming.
It's next down.
Nice to meet you.
The councillors were here. Councillor 5.
Thank you, Honorable Ministers.
Owili Peter Cox Olutalo, District Councillor, Dylan Sub-County, Agogo District Local Government.
There's our colleague from Abim also. You can.
Never Abim District. You're welcome. Agogo District.
Thank you, Honorable. Most welcome.
Yeah.
Honorable Minister Otoke Emmanuel George, the Speaker of Abim District Council. You're most welcome.
Not
So where we are standing, I am called Beatrice Akelo Akori. I'm also the Minister of...
That's why you see we are standing, so that I don't take you to where you are not organized to sit. Yeah, security-wise, it's dangerous.
Okay, first of all, thank you for receiving us at very, very short notice. Sorry for not giving that Oh, good.
We are going to have a standing meeting.
Neno ndabanga ranch. Kamera ogiyemu amazzi yonna lenzi tekyakola.
Ati ya Dilang sub-county.
In Adilang sub-county.
Agogo district.
In Agogo district.
Yeah, your minister, tin me bini ya kinawa.
I'm happy for your coming.
Wajuli, mi chelo.
We will.
This is unfortunate, but it's okay. But I want to pray your Otua. Book it why war. I don't know why.